spit his paw.
He doesn't know which way to go.
The effects of catnip.
The cat on Nip. You dope addict. Get it, Tiger.
That was fun.
Tiger, what was that? Are you gonna get it? I have to record it.
He bumped his head.
Twice.
He's a thump.
Yeah, dum
Between
dum.
that and his food, keep him up with it, he'll start getting real strong again.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got weak. His neck's small compared to what it used to be.
Tiger, what are you doing?
Well, if you want,
You got stuck.
you can come to this address at 8 o'clock tonight. My mom's making it.
Feel better?
Get it.
It's apartment 2016. I didn't write that part down.
He's doing acrobats.
Oh, yeah.
2016.
No, it's just that thing, buddy. I think he's enjoying that more. And
I thought he would.
I have this recording. This is hilarious.
That was the best. You saw he just nuzzled against it?
Yeah.
He tried licking it.
If I'm not mistaken, it gets him aroused.
Look at him.
Catnip.
Rubbing all over it.
You think I'm done?
Are you done? Hey. Tiger, get it. Go get it.
Not the curtain.
No, he was after this.
I know, but he grabbed the curtain. See?
Careful, Tiger.
Okay, let go of my curtains, punk. See?
Tiger.
Get it. You're gonna get it. Hey. Go get it.
How did you get out there?
Go get it.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Sleeping.
He's